REB award is actually an award that's offered. They have one that's offered for administrators and one that's offered for teachers. You have to be nominated in order to earn that REB award. And with the award, you get recognized for leadership, but you're also given a grant. In this case, it's a $20,000 grant. You submit a proposal with that grant on how you would spend the money to better serve your school community. And so I was the recipient last year and used the $20,000 to start like an Ettrick Family Support Center, a hair salon, a food pantry, and a laundering service for our community members. We are very blessed to have a CIS site coordinator in our building. But the previous site coordinator, I shared the idea with her and she said, oh, well, we've got community partners in the area that might be interested in joining us. Let me put out a couple feelers and find out if they could offer the service here. So she reached out to Jazz. Jazz said, absolutely, we're on board, and we were able to partner with them. They have to earn a certain number of hours in order to get their certificate and license. So we're giving them the live heads to work on, and we're getting the benefit of students being able to be in school, getting their hair done, and then they get back to class so they don't miss any instruction. Amazing, phenomenal. The parents are just elated that we have these opportunities. Originally, so like the idea stemmed from hearing our community members talk about the things that were barriers for them at home and were potentially impacting the attendance of their kids. So it started off as kind of a project to address just those basic needs to get kids in the building. But what it has turned into, it's really bigger than that. We've had families share that having the hair salon in place means that they don't have to take off work to take their child to get a hair appointment. So they're saving work hours. So they don't get dock pay for that. Then they don't have to pay for the salon services. So that's another, $30, $40 that they're saving. And then they don't have to pay for gas. So the impact has been far greater than what we expected. With the laundry facility, the idea behind it is that the parents will be able to come in and use the laundry facility for free. We're providing the detergent and the fabric softener, but while they're waiting, we're able to get the parents to come and volunteer in the classrooms, whether it's a book buddy, sitting at lunch and having lunch with some kids to just talk to them and help our children make adult connections. But that is bringing families into the school where traditionally sometimes families aren't, they don't see how they could fit. This gives us the opportunity to show them that parents belong in our building just as much as the teachers and the kids belong in the building. So this is how you can fit in. And while you're here, you can get your laundry done too. So it's been phenomenal the way that it has actually grown into something much bigger than what we anticipated. Teachers have been more supportive than anybody because they actually have seen the idea become more than an idea and actually a reality. So I think they're pretty excited that it's happening in the school that they come to every day.
All right, buddy. Have a good day, all right?
Bye, Emmett.
Bye.